Hey foodies, welcome back to Blogging Good Food, the place where delicious meets kitchen survey. I am Hannah, and today we are diving into the juicy world of mangoes. But before we kick off, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and let's make sure you never miss out on our mouth-watering content. Now let's talk mango storage. Because who doesn't want that sweet goodness to last longer? Let me walk you through it step by step. Pick your mangoes wisely at the store. Ripe but not too soft. You want that gentle yield to pressure. Trust me, you will sense the perfect mango when you find it. Bring those golden dryers home and give them a good wash under cold running water. We are talking a spatty for your mangoes. Cleans away that grocery store dust. Pro tip alert: tuck those ripe mangoes into a cozy paper bag and fold it close. Why? Because it traps the natural ethylene gas, making the ripening process a speedy delight. Underripe mangoes, not for long with this trick. Let the magic happen at room temperature. Find a cool, dry spot for your mangoes to ripen evenly. After a day or two, give your mangoes a gentle squeeze. Once your mangoes hit perfection, slow things down by popping them in the fridge. They will stay fresh for up to a week. Before we wrap up our mango mystery, swing by blogginggoodfood.com. We have got your kitchen covered with reviews, recommendations, recipes, and more. Go explore. Wrapping up, I hope you enjoyed this mango storing guide. Give us a thumbs up, spill your mango stories in the comments, and if you crave more fantastic food content, hit that subscribe button. Join our ever-growing foodie family at Blogging Good Food. Cheers to deliciousness!